Hi, I'm Richard Morse, and welcome to the Morse Code, the real estate show that takes house flipping to a whole nother level. I just bought this house the other day, and we're going to start the renovations next week. This is a full gut rehab from top to bottom. The only redeeming feature about this house is I can see the beach from the front porch. You think you have a stomach for flipping houses? Let's go inside and see. This house is going to get gutted down to the studs. All of this sheetrock comes out. The house is getting entirely rewired, brand new service. New heating system, probably ductwork too. All of these walls are coming out, and this will be 1, 2, 3 open rooms right into the kitchen. Floors will get done, ceilings will get done, light fixtures will get done. The back porch will be ripped off completely, and we'll have a doorway that goes out to a nice patio. This will be the kitchen space, but it will be open into the front rooms, so it'll be 1, 2, 3 wide open. And for those of you that don't know what this is, Google it. Have I scared you away yet? Check out this. What's behind door number 1, Caramero. This bathroom, needless to say, will get completely changed out, stripped out to the walls, and enlarged. We're going to steal a little bit of space from this adjoining bedroom and make it a normal-sized bathroom. What makes this show different is it really lets you see that it takes a lot more than just flipping a house to really succeed in real estate. What's my secret? It's simple. I do it all. I live and breathe every aspect of real estate. I've been designing things and selling things since I was 6 years old. I bought my first house when I was 21, sold it and made a profit, and then I was hooked. I know what someone wants in a house before they even walk in that front door. And by doing it all, I mean everything. I represent sellers. I represent buyers. I do design work. I stage homes. I create artwork. I'm a photographer. I redesign and repurpose furniture. And I do it all with a sense of humor. After all, if you can't laugh at yourself, how in the hell are you going to laugh at somebody else? I wasn't exaggerating when I told you this house was a total gut job. Now that the house has been gutted, you can see a little clearer what's going to be needed to create the 3 bedrooms. We're adding the hallway here, putting up a new wall, and dividing up the second floor for 3 bedrooms and a sitting room. Can I call you back? I'm in a meeting. Can I call you back? I'm in a meeting. Can I call you back? I'm in a meeting. Truth is, nobody has the vision that I have, does it like I do, because I consistently get top dollar on my flips. Back on the second floor over on the East Avenue house, and now with the new framing going up, you can get a better sense for the new floor plan up here. We've got this bedroom all framed out, ready to go, and we've got our new opening for the bathroom coming in off of the hallway instead of from that room like it was before. And on the first floor, all the walls are gone. Welcome back to the Morse Code. We are back at the East Avenue flip, and by the marvels of modern television, it has taken us only 10 seconds to go from what you saw before. So the rough plumbing, the rough electrical, the insulation, and the sheetrock is now done on this flip. With the sheetrock up here on the first floor, you can really get an idea of the new completely open floor plan, which is going to give us that wow factor when the new buyers walk in that front door. The second floor is completely done as well. All the sheetrock is done. Now you can really see what we did by changing out the floor plan. This front room now becomes a second floor family room. We've added all of these walls, created the hallway. We've got bedroom number 3, bedroom number 2, the brand new full bath, and in the back we have a beautiful master bedroom. Next time I check in with you, we're going to be staging the house so it can go on the market and get sold. I'm just sitting here in my home office, taking over the world one crappy property at a time. Okay.
Okay. Well, we're already rolling, so whenever you're ready.
Oh, you're already rolling. Okay, all right, good. So, this house is so old, even my grandmother doesn't like it. This house is so old, the Laura Ashley wallpaper is stick figures. This house is so old, the Laura Ashley wallpaper is hieroglyphics. This house is so old, George Washington left his wooden teeth on the nightstand. This house is so old, the phone line is an open window so you can yell. This house is so old, the bathroom is out back behind a tree. This house is so old, Harriet Tubman still get mail here.
Oh my God.
This house is so old, the front door knocker is a dinosaur bone. This house is so old, Ben Franklin got hit by lightning trying to unlock the front door. This house is so old, the dining room chandelier is a pack of matches. This house is so old.
How old is it?
I think that's probably about it.
Wow. Okay.
Cut. Look at this backsplash. If I'm not on these guys constantly, this should end right here. The backsplash should end in line with the upper cabinet. This will never do. No, no, no. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. No. No. I don't like it. Here's Johnny! We're going to turn this funky old throne chair into a glamorous chair to be used for staging. And honestly, if it comes out really nice, it might just end up inside my own living room. We're going to start by stripping the finish, then we're going to prime it and paint it out and give it the Morse Code glam touch and make this old king chair fit for a queen. Get off your cell phone. I want you to do that throne chair. 2 coats of primer and then 2 coats of enamel.
Okay.
And no drips.
Oh, girl, do I ever?
See, refinishing furniture is easy and fun. Turn down for what? 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 One of the little tricks that I've learned over the years when using foam padding on a reupholstery project, cut it with an electric kitchen knife. Cuts like butter. Look at that. And the throne chair is done and came out absolutely beautifully. For some reason it took Tori a really long time to get it painted, but it's done. We put new padding and then we did the upholstery. I hand painted the back, my interpretation of an Andy Warhol Marilyn. We did some really bling bling chrome nailhead trim and this chair absolutely came out gorgeous. On the back of the chair, I used some lime green fabric inside behind the carvings just to give it a little pop from the back. This fabulous piece of furniture is going into the warehouse to be used for staging. So stay tuned watching the Morse code until you see where this chair ends up. When did we get water here? That's on my list of things to do. We have water. Oh my God. Oh, miracles. Don't scuff the tire. Are you filming this? Oh. Honey, check this out. I have a great idea for my next flip.
Oh my God, I love this recipe. I'm gonna make this one.
And the big day is finally here. We are here for the big reveal of the East Avenue flip. And it's such a big reveal, I have to use hand gestures. I just can't say it's a big reveal. I have to say it's a big reveal. I promised you a whole house renovation, and that's exactly what we have. The living room there in the front. We have the dining room here in the middle, staged beautifully. Tori and I did an awesome job, pulled some really cool furniture out of the warehouse for this. We've got the glamorous Morse code touch on all the light fixtures. And then we did an open kitchen here in the back of the house. Remember how gross that kitchen was on the very first walkthrough? Wouldn't recognize it now, would you? Granite counters, solid wood cabinets, glass mosaic backsplash, stainless steel appliances, exactly what everybody wants in their new homes. This home is set up to wow, and when you walk in that front door, that's exactly what you're gonna do. Now let's go upstairs and check out how the changes in the floor plan turned out up there. Staging plays a big part in my success, and I love doing crazy things like taking this second floor sun porch and staging it as a little painting studio. We created the new second floor family room right here by rearranging the walls. These are all brand new walls, and we made this hallway. That wasn't here before either. So we've got a bedroom there, we've got a bedroom here, and we have a beautiful brand new bathroom that we did up here, all tile with some gorgeous, new, funky, modern tiles on the floor. Can't wait to see people's reactions when they come in for that. And the last room up here is the master bedroom. This used to be the old kitchen in the illegal apartment that was up here on the second floor. We've glammed it up with the Morse code touch. Tori and I staged it with some beautiful furniture and some sumptuous bedding. Well, that concludes the tour and the big reveal for the East Avenue flip. Come back next week. On that episode, we've got some new footage on the other flips going, and we're going to come back here and film the open house. I can't wait to see the response. I'm Richard Morse, and this is the Morse Code.
Yeah, it's something funny. Oh, you are just insane.